a combination of Miriam Defensor Santia, Miharsu, rest in peace, and Lauren Ligarda. Why? Because my full name is Miriam Laura. What a coincidence. But for me, it's a problem. Most of all. From the mystic island of Sikipo. Why nakuwatan niya? Because dili naman na siya, it's no longer kumbaga agreeable na yun. Secure Island is one of the best na sa iyahang mga beaches. Wala po yung mga dito manginilad because naala rin. Naapol siya. Naala siya. So, please welcome sa amo ang bagong na Hill Programs. This is maximizing the value of your home to fund what's value for you. Fund your life goals with Hill. Okay. Ang Hill, magmura siya multi-purpose availment sa housing. Why? Multi-purpose because there's no need for dili namin mo balik sa inyo for an inspection, but katong existing ninyong evaluation sa lot, muray among basihan after 5 years of being a good payer. Okay? So katong appraisal, all you have to do is apply, and we will base the appraisal previously, okay? Subject to loan to valuation. So, pero naagla ko yung chance na para dako ang ma-avail because this is a multi-purpose. Bahala kung sa inyong basihan sa loan. No need for home improvement. So, pwede rin siya isuroy-suroy, i-invest, no? Pwede rin siya. So, something like that. Just like what happened to our multi-purpose loan. Bisan, asa din mo gamitan ang iyang proceeds nila. So, karon ba naman tayo na-discuss ni Mission ni ganihan na pwede ito mag-home improvement after. But in this case, pwede rin na ito mo-avail tag another loan. Another loan lang gihapon, by loan lang gihapon ko, pwede rin siya isuroy-suroy. Isuroy-suroy, and this is para mabuli incentive for those more than 5 years nga nagbayad sa pag-refund. Nga, igutang talang wakod siya bugati, kaya ni-enjoy man siya na maayo mo bayad. Okay? Para niya. Okay, next. A low interest loan because it will be based on the net value of your mortgage property with the fund. Okay? So, low gihapon kay ang prevailing na interest rate of 5.75, 875 ato siya ang 1-year fixing, 3-year at atong 6.25. Okay? Open to pag-ibig housing loan borrowers whose loans are more than 5 years. As I have said, para sa mga naka-avail na, naka 5 years na maayo mo pa. Okay? So, muna nga mong giingon nga, walay limit ang inyong pag-avail, bisan unsa ang inyong gamitan. So, unlike sa home improvement, it will be staggered basis, no? 30%, 30%, 30%, 10. Okay, but in this case, naging mo question of asa mo magsulit-sulit. Gamiton ang inyong proceeds. Okay? Home improvement, livelihood, so additional investment sa inyong diplanuhan na kanang business. Education expenses, health and wellness, purchase of appliances, payment of utilities, travel, leisure, and other. No? Ipalit ninyo o sa magkaha, memorial plan, no? Because our ang natulsa sa ating mga purposes dito sa community fund for residential. So, dili po pwede memorial. Okay. So, muna ang mga apply. Of course, pag-ibig active number, active pag-ibig fund number, with age over not more than 65, palayagan niya. We discuss na yun niya. Legal capacity to acquire, niya. An existing pag-ibig housing that has been approved 5 years ago. Okay? Able to pass our CNBI. Mag-CNBI, di ako pero ako CNBI, di may magbarita sa inyong silingan. Ma'am, may ba ni siya nga silingan? No. Only your payslip and your certificate of employment. Tawagin na din na mo inyong HR na tinuod ba ninyo ang isabit na inyong anak. In fact, we'll never CI sa inyong mga credit card na. Walang yan. Okay? Ang mo lang, as long as pagiging member, kunya, maayo mo bayad siya sa iyong previous na loan, kunya na siya, employment, with a payslip and certificate of employment. Kung na ay outstanding na MPL, not necessarily fully paid na, just like our regular. Sorry, i-update mo siya. Okay? So, pila man ang iyang mahulaman. Okay? Ang ipasabot sa pag-ibig fund, the maximum is still 6 million pesos. Pero i-less na mo sa iyang outstanding balance. Okay? Outstanding balance after 5 years of paying it, so, muna to siya na subject to 60% loan to valuation. Ang advantage ani, kung naay mga additional improvements sa inyong existing house and lot, kaya yung ang i-avail sa pag-ibig fund. Siguro, ang bare type na inyong ipalit, na 580 lang or 750, nahimo na karon more or less 2 million. Because, inyuhan naman gipa, silingan o lindot kaayo. It used to be an ordinary one, pero inyuhan i-improve. No? Ang tiles na plain lang, inyuhan tiles. Ang flooring plain lang, inyuhan tiles. No? Yan, naanay partition. Kanang murag, it used to be bare type, no? In case of condominium unit. Pero nag-partition naman. So, it will help enhance the property. So, that will be the basis of our appraisal today. So, muda po bilang appraisal, so the subject na to 60% loan to valuation, na po naghihapon ang mga. Okay? The maximum is, again, 6 million with your existing plus sa inyong planuhan na i-avail sa inyo. Okay? So, ang mga loan requirement, just like sa katong regular, kanila gihapon. Naaman tayo application form as separate for our regular loan. Kunya, we do have proof of income, just like the regular. The payslip of the certified certificate of employment compensation, latest 1 month, and within 3 months time. So, kung karon ka mo avail, pwede good memo, dawat pa o June na payslip or May na payslip. Okay? Kunya, ang valid ID, it should be government issued. And updated real estate tax, additional na siya, kaya wala na siya sa regular. Okay? Kinahanglan updated ang atong real taxes, real property taxes, kanang atong bayaran every start of the year. And maka-avail mo discount sa inyong real property tax kung bubayad mo within January 1 to March 3. Okay? Additional. Okay? Health statement form. Especially kung mula pa sa siya 2 million. Conformity form for new subsequent housing availment. So, naatay mga form ana. Since ISO accredited na tadali sa Cebu, ang pag-ibig Cebu, so more or less coded na itong form. Sa iyo na siya kinatan. Okay, so how to apply? Pwede rin din mo pusilon. Kasi siya QR code, yung automatic, mufila na ka dito. Dahil, kaya dili man siya pwede over-the-counter ang application, it must be online. I-attach lang mo ang tax receipt, kapag may pangayon na niya, ito na siguro ito kapoong, so yan, nasa tuloy. And you will be tawagan din ka na ma'am, kanus ang pag-validate for some maybe requirements niya, nang laki nito. Kaya nasayo ka, not area sa title, sa tax declaration, something. Okay? So,